The real question is, would you rather have this sushi tonight, or what are we gonna have?
Sushi!
Run.
Serving looks.
Cover me, I'm going in!
Shift for me. Alright, that's just making sure that it's a manual transmission and that we're in neutral. Okay? We are here at, what's this place called again?
Matsuri.
Matsuri. You're welcome.
That was a test.
Did I pass? Wow, look at this.
Hello, good evening.
All right, Matsuri, here's the menu, guys.
Order the sushi boat.
The sushi boat, the masa for two, the tamago.
And soup.
The real question is, would you rather have this sushi tonight, or the fish fillet from McDonald's?
You want to get beer?
It's good, it's good. Ginger, ew. Wait, I'm ginger too.
You want to start with the salmon?
Yeah, we'll start with the salmon. The pieces, yeah.
Wait, fuck.
Babe, what's going on, bro? It's good. It's just, I mean, it's salmon. I mean, now this is the masa for two, right?
Yes.
Oh man, that is exquisite. I like having the nigiri raw like that. You know sushi's good when it melts in your mouth. It's very refreshing. All right.
It's huge. I don't like big sushi.
It's good though. It's really good. The grilled eel is a wonderful touch.
I'm thinking about putting this big thing in my mouth, and I'm like,
That's what I said. Wait, no, that's what you said. All good, thank you.
this for you?
Can we see the menu again?
Sure.
Let us know what you want, princess.
The tempura cheesecake.
Sounds good. Oh my god, look at this, guys. The tempura cheesecake.
Ready?
Alright, it's gonna fall. Oh, that is exquisite. Alright, so you guys saw what we ordered. We ordered that big boat, a dessert, the tamago. And it all came out to about $74, 77.
Wow.
That's incredibly reasonable. Like, that is really good. Mwah. I'm gonna do a little pull. Ready?
I was not ready.
No?
Oh my god.
Yeah, we spun a little bit there. Baby. Say bye, Matsuri. Woo! Damn!
That pop.
Oh my god, we chose the worst possible day to come to the Gables. That place is incredible. Yes, there's so many spots we need to try.
Yeah.
Many more date nights to come. Very. You know, she likes the car when she's taking a pic of the whip. Unprompted too. Oh babe, it's beautiful. Okay. Really? Maybe you should put like your nails in crystal red metallic. That would actually look really nice.
I'm gonna do my nails red next.
Crystal red metallic, please. All right, let's go home. All right, guys, and that is the end of the night. Like, subscribe, set notifications. See you next time.